Visumatic's collaborative robot fastening system is a complete feed and drive package for use by machine builders. It includes an automatic feeder, programmable drive system, skeleton robot program, and end effector for direct mounting to a collaborative robot wrist. The lightweight end-of-arm tooling allows maximum robot movement speed without sacrificing collaborative safeguards. Most applications will not require traditional safety hardware like light curtains or mechanical guarding, making payback time faster. The Cobot module comes complete with Visumatic's field-proven Power Bit Advance, bit position sensors, and a fastener delivery confirmation sensor ensuring a repeatable joining operation. The VCM drive tooling performs the bit advance so that the robot controller does not have to emulate the human hand-arm drive motion, simplifying program requirements. This Visumatic system has pre-programmed fault recovery logic to automatically continue driving screws after a force safety stop. This occurs without operator intervention, maintaining production efficiency. The VCM screwdriving system can work with your choice brand of collaborative robot and is easily deployed in the plant with minimal resources. Install the Visumatic fastening end effector on your robot and production will flow. Visumatic is a custom engineering firm specialized in automated fastening technologies located in Lexington, Kentucky.
If you have any questions, you can contact us at 800-808-7168, or you can email us at sales@intmfg.com. We look forward to assist you with your manufacturing needs.